Il a les dents longues?
He has long teeth.
Il mange beaucoup de viande?
He eats a lot of meat.
Il est très ambitieux?
He is very ambitious.
C'est un vampire?
He is a vampire.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il est très ambitieux.
Avoir les dents longues. Figuratively, it means thirst for power or success, sometimes excessively.
Alors, ce nouvel employé, qu'en penses-tu?
Il est jeune, mais il ira loin. Il a les dents longues.
Il claque des dents?
He chatters his teeth.
Il perd son dentier?
He loses his dentures.
Il a le rythme dans les dents?
He has rhythm in his teeth.
Il a très froid?
He is very cold.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il a très froid.
Claquer des dents. It means shivering from the cold or being very scared.
Le pauvre, il claque des dents.
Tiens, donne-lui mon écharpe, il va se réchauffer.
Il grince des dents?
He grinds his teeth.
Il est impatient?
He is impatient.
Il est en colère?
He's angry.
Il a mordu dans un citron?
He bit into a lemon.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il est en colère.
Grincer des dents. It means being angry. Literally, rubbing your teeth convulsively against each other.
Il n'est pas content, tu crois?
Oh oui, il grince des dents.
Il montre les dents?
He shows his teeth.
Il a vu son dentiste?
He saw his dentist.
Il imite mon chien?
He imitates my dog.
Il est menaçant?
He is threatening.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il est menaçant.
Montrer les dents. It means being threatening. Allusion to the dog that bares its fangs and growls to intimidate an enemy.
Mon voisin me fait peur.
Mais pourquoi?
On n'est pas d'accord. Et il montre les dents.
Il ne desserre pas les dents?
He does not loosen his teeth.
Il ne parle pas?
He does not speak.
Il refuse de manger?
He refuses to eat.
Il a sucé un tube de colle?
He sucked on a tube of glue.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il ne parle pas.
Ne pas desserrer les dents. It means keep one's mouth shut. Stubbornly keeping quiet.
On l'avait invité à déjeuner. Il est venu, mais il n'a pas desserré les dents.
Il a la dent dure?
He has a hard tooth.
Il se brosse bien les dents?
He brushes his teeth well.
Il critique fortement?
He is highly critical.
Il porte un dentier?
He wears dentures.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il critique fortement.
Avoir la dent dure. It means to be harsh in his criticism, without indulgence in his verbal attacks.
On lui a parlé de notre projet. Ça n'a pas été facile. Il a la dent dure.
Il est sur les dents?
He is on his teeth.
Il est dentiste?
He is a dentist.
Il est surmené?
He is overworked.
Il a très faim?
He is very hungry.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il est surmené.
Être sur les dents. It means being overworked, exhausted, feverish, falling from fatigue.
Mon collègue n'en peut plus. Il est sur les dents.
Quand les poules auront des dents?
When hens have teeth,
Les œufs seront cassés?
eggs will be broken.
Fini les omelettes?
No more omelets.
Jamais?
Never.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Jamais.
Quand les poules auront des dents. It is used to talk about something that is unlikely to happen, if at all.
Tu crois que je vais être augmenté?
Oui, quand les poules auront des dents. Il garde une dent contre lui?
He keeps a tooth against him.
Le repas était trop léger?
The meal was too light.
Il a de la rancune à son égard?
He has a grudge against him.
Il a une dent porte-bonheur sur lui?
He has a lucky tooth on him.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il a de la rancune à son égard.
Garder une dent contre quelqu'un. It means resentment that one retains after what is considered as an injustice or an offense with a desire for revenge.
Il a cassé mes lunettes et ne s'est même pas excusé. Je garde une dent contre lui.
Il serre les dents?
He grits his teeth.
Il fait preuve de courage?
He shows courage.
Il boude?
He sulks.
Il n'a pas faim?
He is not hungry.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il fait preuve de courage.
Serrer les dents. It means, be prepared to put up with something unpleasant or to make a difficult decision.
Il avait une épine dans le doigt. J'ai dû lui enlever. Il a été courageux. Il serrait les dents.
Parler entre ses dents?
Talking between his teeth.
Sa mâchoire est coincée?
His jaw is stuck.
C'est un boxeur?
He is a boxer.
Il est presque inaudible?
He is almost inaudible.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il est presque inaudible.
Parler entre ses dents. It means, whispering, speaking in a very low way, indistinctly, often out of anger, dissatisfaction, or reluctance.
Il a la dent?
He has the tooth.
Il a trouvé sa dent de lait?
He found his baby tooth.
Il s'est fait mordre?
He was bitten.
Il a faim?
He is hungry.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il a faim.
Allons déjeuner, je commence à avoir la dent.
Avoir les dents du fond qui baignent?
Having the back teeth bathing.
J'ai envie de vomir?
I want to vomit.
J'ai beaucoup trop mangé?
I ate way too much.
Je me gargarise?
I gargle.
9 secondes pour choisir.
J'ai envie de vomir. Ou j'ai beaucoup trop mangé.
Avoir les dents du fond qui baignent. A double meaning, being drunk to the point of vomiting, or having eaten so much to the point of being stuffed with it. Ready to burst.
Se casser les dents sur quelque chose?
Breaking your teeth on something.
Il a mordu un caillou?
He bit a stone.
Il a échoué?
He failed.
Il a eu un accident?
He had an accident.
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il a échoué.
Se casser les dents sur quelque chose. It means, failing in the face of a task or a challenge, harder, more difficult than expected.
Il a voulu créer sa propre affaire. Il n'a pas réussi. Il s'est cassé les dents sur ce projet.
N'avoir rien à se mettre sous la dent?
Having nothing to put under your tooth?
Il est impatient?
He is impatient?
Il est saoul?
He is drunk?
Il s'ennuie?
He is bored?
9 secondes pour choisir.
Il s'ennuie.
N'avoir rien à se mettre sous la dent. First meaning, having nothing to eat. Figuratively, having nothing interesting to read, to watch, and more generally to keep busy. Hello. Did you do well? I hope you enjoyed this video. Try another one, and subscribe to my channel.